Hello, strong people. I am your healthy mama and welcome to my channel. In this channel, I am going to share to you my journey as a lupus warrior and a stroke survivor. 4 years na po after kong ma-stroke and ngayon lang talaga ako nagkaroon ng eagerness to make this channel. Tagal ko nang gustong gumawa ng channel na to dahil feeling ko talaga ang purpose ko, isa sa mga purpose ko kung bakit ako nabuhay at nagkaroon ng second chance is to share to you guys, to inspire others and to help others, to motivate others na kagaya ko na na-stroke and yung iba na may mga pinagdadaanan ding sakit. So kung kayo po is naririto ngayon, maybe na-stroke din kayo or nalupus din kayo or meron kayong kakilala na na-stroke or nagkaroon din ng lupus. So, sana makatulong ako and here po, i-share ko po yung mga tips, magbibigay ako ng mga tips, mga exercises and practices na ginagawa ko noon para maka-recover. Nga pala po, yung naging deficit po sa akin after the stroke is yung left side ko. And then, mag-share din po ako ng mga meals na ginagawa ko to stay in remission, and also I'm going to share to you yung mga activities na nagagawa ko daily and mga motivational thoughts. Kung meron kayong mga questions, also you can ask it. Just comment down below. So, stay tuned guys for our other videos. Next videos natin. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel. And I hope makatulong talaga ako sa inyo, guys. And disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako isang doktor and hindi din po ako therapist. And I am only a patient and yung mga i-share ko po sa inyo are only based on my experiences. For the facts naman po is nagre-research po ako and pinag-aaralan ko po yung sakit ko so as for me to manage my lupus po kasi is a very life-threatening and lifelong disease. So, I hope po sama-sama tayo na maging in remission as always. Thank you guys! Thank you for coming here and God bless you all.